I don't want us to stick with the same players that have been letting us down over the years.
Impress me. Show me that you deserve to come and play for Jamaica in the Nations League. I'm not going to give you a gratuitous call-up just because. Because you never did nothing for the whole campaign to show me that you deserve to be here. Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another episode. I'm your host Joe Mar.
I'm Rush.
And this is the That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions and debates on the whole entire internet.
Yes people, so as you know, we're in March and we have an international window coming up at the end of the month. And yeah, so today we're going to be discussing the squad and what we want to see in the squad. And maybe who we don't want to see in the squad. We're going to just be having a free discussion. Join the discussion as usual. Let us know the foolishness where we attack or the brilliance where we attack. And I'm going to say I attack the foolishness and him attack the brilliance.
So, even though the brilliance is going to come from this side of the table.
Hey, what's understood don't got to be said. I'm just saying, but
anyway,
ready.
People, this video is not, we're not breaking the news, we're not reporting anything. You know, we're just discussing how we think the 23 squad should look.
Goalkeepers, who do you have?
Blakey, of course. I want to see Dwayne Miller again. I think this will be his last chance. And I'm not sure about the third goalkeeper.
Man, I'm going Andre Blake, Dylan Barnes fit.
I think Dylan Barnes fit.
Andre Blake, Dylan Barnes, Amal Knight.
Okay.
Straightforward for me. Better me a pre-future right now.
Yeah, you're a pre-future.
Me a pre keep the squad together, build for the next 4 years.
I want to see Dwayne Miller play one more match in the stage.
4.
What do you mean 4?
For what?
Loyal servant?
No, Dwayne Miller is the third string right now.
Dwayne Miller was...
Oh, so you want to give him a clap off?
Dwayne Miller was number 13. So he wasn't...
Brother, Amal Knight played in the Vietnam game.
Dwayne...
The Peru game.
So yeah, Amal a boss. You see
the man boss? No, bro.
1, 13, 23.
Fine.
So... Dwayne Miller is
it's squad number and Dwayne Miller is a 13, so I'm gonna get the 13 from ever since. So it's squad number.
So?
Yeah, I feel so. I feel Amal Knight at the second string.
I just believe that respect is due. Dwayne Miller is one of the longest servants of Jamaican football.
I understand.
And there's not very much to play for. And I really want to see Dwayne Miller play one more time in the stadium and I can get to thank him for his service. I just believe it's very important that we show Dwayne Miller love and respect that he deserves. You know, he's been here for a hot minute. He's always been there, always reliable, and he's played many good games for Jamaica. You know, after Donovan Ricketts retired, Dwayne Miller filled in the gap, then Andre Blake came and took it over, and Dwayne Miller was just always there and present, always gave us a good shift when required, and I would play him in at least one of these upcoming games for sure at the stadium.
Alright, defenders, 8 of them. Let's go 8 for now.
8 defenders. Alright, fine, we can work with that.
4 centre backs.
My 4 central defenders that I would love to see called up, right, is Ethan Pinnock, Damian Lowe, Richard King, and for this particular round of fixtures, I'm not sure if I would call Adrian Mariappa for this particular round of fixture. I do believe Mariappa still.
Who?
I would call probably Liam Moore. You know, I'd call Liam Moore.
I disagree.
To give him a chance to still prove himself. He's still of an age where he might have an impact going forward. You know, if not Liam Moore, then I'd probably call a Jamoy Topi or somebody of that ilk. Maybe a Wes Harding. You know, Wes Harding is 25. So I would say my 4 centre backs that I would call is Damian Lowe, Ethan Pinnock, Richard King, and Wes Harding.
Alright, my 4 I'd go with is obviously the first 2 is Damian Lowe and Ethan Pinnock. That's my 2. Then, you know, I'm introducing the protege. Well, not introducing, but I'm keeping him. Richard King. As I said,
mainstay.
In the last window, I don't want to see another Jamaican squad for the next 5 years without Richard King barring injury. I don't want to see that. So Richard King and the last one, I'd go with my rapper because I am thinking about Gold Cup next year. I'm thinking about Nations League. You know, so I want to keep the squad together as much as possible. So I'm not even thinking about introducing new players, bro.
Yeah, but Wes Harding
messing up our habit. Not a new player, but
you know, Wes Harding is 25, I don't think he's as 24. I don't think he's as good a defender as Mariappa, but you don't know what he can be.
And Mariappa is counting down at this point.
Exactly.
So
which is why for the Nations League, where we're going to be playing for something, I'm going to have Mariappa in that squad. But in these couple of games that we're not playing for anything, I would introduce Wizarding to see if he has something to offer us at the centre back position in natural position.
And young Wizarding going forward is not a bad shot.
Understand? So those are the 4 that I would go with.
Right backs.
I think Javian Brown, of course, and God knows, I would carry 3 left backs. You know, I would carry.
Let me hear them. Hold on. Don't go. We're not going left back yet. So you just pick 1 right back. My 2 right backs I go with is Alvas Powell and Javian Brown. I said it in the last window. I'm going to say it again. I want to see a fit Alvas Powell. Now, if Alvas Powell come fit, bro, I'm gonna say the same thing. What me that say in the last couple of windows. I'm done with Alvas Powell. I want to see 1 more game. 1 more game. Alvas Powell put in a good shift, then you get, because Alvas Powell is supposed to be in his prime. He's supposed to be in his prime. Right, so Alvas Powell, I don't never get flag feet because I did in the last video. But me I got Alvas Powell and left backs.
Where your left backs?
Left backs, my 2 I got Greg Lee and you know I saw Amari Bell in the FA Cup a couple weeks ago and I like what I saw. And Kemar Lawrence said that, you know, this is the year of his retirement. He said, but I don't think he. Yes, so I'm going Kemar Lawrence again. Kemar Lawrence, Greg Lee. But if I don't think he will announce. But if it was a case where, you know, the team knows that, you know, Taxi is not looking to, you know, continue, I'd go Amari Bell. Amari Bell is my 3rd.
And that's why I would go.
Although, before you continue, I want to make a point. And let's consider this going forward too, for the rest of the video. I don't want us to stick with the same players that have been letting us down over the years. So that's why I want you. I'm a hope say.
No, it's a time to experiment.
Yeah. So I hope you have a go. I think you have a go in terms of the left back and going forward. But keep that in mind. Who you are going for your left back?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Left back, I would go with Greg Lee, Amari Bell, and Kemar Lawrence. And Javian Brown.
If you had to pick 2, who's your first 2?
Huh?
In that order? Javian Brown. Javian Brown.
Yeah.
Greg Lee, Amari Bell.
And
alright, fine. I like.
In fact, I would probably call up Javian Brown and Mariappa.
Midfielders. Who are you going in the midfield? Want me to go first?
Alright, go on now.
I'm going Kevin Stewart. Speedy. In no order. In no particular. So this is not my priority list. Kevin Stewart, Speedy. I'd probably go Ravel. I'd probably go Ravel. And I'd keep Lamar Walker. As a midfielder, as attacking midfielder. No! How about Tariq McGee?
You never heard mine.
Alright, I mentioned Lamar Walker, but hopefully you can change my mind on Tariq McGee. Make a case.
So my own, Kevin Stewart. This is what I'm bringing for this window. Kevin Stewart, because I do want to see more of him. Tariq McGee, Lamar Walker, Peter Lee Vassell. That's the core that I'm going with.
So you're not going with any of the attacking midfielders from England? Man, I like the squad that you're going with, bro.
Not for this round.
I'm going safe, obviously. Yeah. But I like the squad that you're picking.
Yeah, as I said, not for this round. As I said, they can continue to play in the championship, bro. They have big games coming up. Derby is fighting to stay in the championship, right? Preston is fighting to stay in the middle like that. They are playing for what they're playing. Impress me. Show me that you deserve to come and play for Jamaica in the Nations League. I'm not going to give you a gratuitous call up just because you never do nothing for the whole campaign to show me that you deserve to be here.
The only reason I'm not going with, you know, we'd call it a fresh, your team sound fresh so far. It's not a lot of guys that play with each other so far. In terms if you look from a midfield go back. The reason I'm not going that way is because I don't want to disrupt what we're building. It doesn't seem like we're building something good right now, and it might be laying our foundation and sand.
To build yet.
No, I'm saying
so we need to start building now.
I'm saying take over the good foundations of this campaign into the next. But as I said, it might be a bad foundation.
And that's the thing, because as I said, good foundation. Ethan Pinnock, Damian Lowe, Rays of Light, obviously, or goalkeeper.
And then the attack.
You get me? I said we don't get no good nothing from in the midfield.
Foundation and sand.
Exactly. So which is why this is me starting to build right now, and then I give those guys a chance domestically to prove to me that they can make their way into my Nations League squad.
Alright.
So that's how I wouldn't call either Ravel or DJ to this squad.
Fair. So now we have what, 7 attackers to go,
so
right? So the 4 wingers I would go with is Liam Bailey. The Margrave is not fit as yet.
Yeah, I'm not sure if the Margrave.
I go Liam Bailey, Bobby Reed, Junior Fleming. Yeah, may I leave that 4th spot there open for now. Who you have?
Alright, so I think Liam Bailey. I think we need to get back Liam Bailey. Back
I need a good window.
national.
I need a good window from Liam Bailey.
Right? I would, if Demargre is available.
Yeah, if I'm
If Demargre is available, for sure, I hope to see Demargre in the program. I'll go Kaim Paris.
Ooh.
I want to see Kaim Paris be introduced to the program. Nico Brett been scoring a lot of goals. I want to see Nico.
How much you gone?
Huh? That's Liam Bailey, Demargre, Kaim Paris, Nico Brett. That's 4. Yeah.
So
Those are my
those are your ringers.
Yeah.
I'd probably go Kaim Paris on my 4th in line. But yeah, I as me I said, I'm not disrupt it too much. Keep Bobby Reed. But yeah, people let us know. Yeah, it's 2 different squads.
Yeah.
We're not agreeing today on a lot of players.
Bobby Reed continue to prove that he can make my Nations League squad.
Yeah.
That's how I'm looking at it right now. As you can realize, I'm not big on the championship players right now, because I just wasn't impressed with what they were doing.
Yeah. We can go to the 3 forwards, and I would go Shaman Nicholson. Don't know how easy it would be to leave Russia right now.
Yeah.
In terms of transit. Mikel Antonio, of course. And I want to go a young striker. Maybe from maybe from the Premier League. You have some guys really heating it up. Or I'd probably give that spot to maybe a Nico Brett. One of those guys that one of those goal scorers are good overseas players, not tearing it up, but
So basically, people with me, because I know that in the comment section, them are gonna start killing me. Say, oh, Nico Brett, Kaim Paris, those guys aren't wingers or whatever. I went a more attacking role, and those players are versatile players, right? So I would say you could go Nico Brett in that role. I would have Mikel Antonio. I would have Mikel Antonio and Shamar Nicholson, of course. Those 2 are a must. And then one of any one of the potent strikers, right? Like
the Fletchers, the Bygraves, because those guys are doing very well in the Jamaican Premier League. Maybe it's not at the level that we want, but they're doing well, and maybe it's a time to test them and see what they have. But yeah, that's a good squad. Some misses. You missed Mariapa. Jamal Lowe.
I went back for Mariapa as my right back.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Jamal Lowe. We do have Jamal Lowe. We do have Anthony Grant. No Javon Watts around here.
Yeah.
Who else we have missed from this team?
Andre
Gray.
The only championship. I didn't bring any championship.
Kevin Stewart.
Kevin Stewart. Yeah, that's the only championship player.
And Wes Harding. I read that in League One.
Yeah, League One.
Yeah.
So look at me bringing League One players and not bringing any other championship.
No, look at you. But yeah, I think any of these 2 squads I'll be pleased with. I want to see a lot of the young blood though. I want to see Tariq McGee.
And as you realize, yes, I had a lot of young players, but I maintained my core. So Damien or Ethan Pinnock aren't young guns, but those guys have to be there, right? Kevin Stewart, I do think Kevin Stewart will be good for us going forward. Mikel Antonio, I think he has what he has, and he will continue to have what he has. Whatever that means. You get me? So I think Mikel Antonio will be Mikel Antonio for as long as he's Mikel Antonio, and when he's not Mikel Antonio anymore, we have Shamar Nicholson.
Yeah.
So Mikel Antonio has to be here.
Yeah. Let us know in the comment section though. Join the discussion, guys. And obviously we needed to do the usual. Like the video. If you like this one, like the video. For real. Don't just like it and go tell somebody. Like it. And then go tell somebody. Share the video, guys. I really want you guys to share the channel. We're growing. We're almost at 1,000. So please share the video. Leave a comment. Do the whole works. You can run it up.
Each one of us can get us 5 subscribers. Do you know how many subscribers that would get us, guys? FIFA window coming up. As you can see, we're doing this type of video. We're going to be there as usual. We're going to be getting all those fire interviews, guys. So just get your friends. Get your friends to subscribe so that they can see this content when it drops in 2 weeks, people.
Loving it. But yeah, this is That Sports TV.
And we're out.